is also a mystery which the scientists are studying in a wonderful way. We're watching an experiment with a cat. Everyone knows a cat dropped on its back lands on its feet. The slow motion camera turns Tabby into a ballet dancer. Slowed down actions speak more to the scientist than thousands of words. Slowed down and analyzed in minute fractions of time, like the moment when a balloon bursts, seen now at 4,000 pictures a second. The balloon has gone up, but see how the reactions last on the man's face. He could be pondering on the secrets of the universe. But he's just a man listening to a bang. And it's happened so quickly, he can only blink. Scientists and manufacturers are learning a lot from pictures taken in John Hadland's studio laboratory. They're watching the elusive incident when a tire bursts, a petrol can explodes, or a rocket takes off for outer space. And now the scientist's eye view of Tabby lapping up his daily pinter, his languid tongue rasping up a storm in a saucer. If you feel this slowed down world is too dramatic and strange, take time off for a smoke. But if you're in a hurry, you won't want a match that takes half a minute to light. The secret of ignition made easy. And the technique works for machines too, even the simple kind, like a lighter that turns into a pocket firework display, shooting stars. And the experts take a long look at a crucial moment in the working of a piece of engineering. In reality, all over in a flash. Like the photographer's flash bulb that flares and dies in a fraction of a second. Stretch out a moment of time, and that flash bulb has its own galaxy of molten gases, a surging turbulence of eddies in light. All dead and gone before we've started to blink. And just to complicate matters, Hadland and his colleagues can do it backwards. If you ever make a mess of breaking your breakfast egg, don't go to work without it. Go back and do it again.